Connected teaching and learning using digital tools, the magic revealed. So showing how on the first assignment here. So in the first assignment of my Google Classroom that I had in the session I just did was the idea of how do I put video directions? Well, what I used was Google Classroom, the paper of whatever real world object like a worksheet and such that I wanted to give directions on, in combinations with the document camera and Excite software. So let's get to it. I had Excite software up and running. You can see it right here, and you can see I'm not not in full screen right now. So in doing that, if I go to full screen, what happens here? When I'm recording my video, I did that by using this tool right here. I would click this to start and click this to stop. From there, that's how I would get the video started. What I chose was my record options to be the MPEG-4. The MPEG-2 and MPEG-4, I've had success with both. MPEG-4 happens to be the more, I think, recent and modern. So I choose that, and it seems to work very well with Google Classroom. So I save those options. Again, record options, video compression at MPEG-4. So from there, I would go and proceed to give my directions. The way you saw this green box arrive was I chose the annotation tools that came from here, annotation tools, and I chose the shapes, and I chose the rectangle outline, not the rectangle fill. So from there, the color is over here. Click on that shape, and now my pin, wherever I put, is going to give me, as I clicked record already, is going to give me what I want to highlight for my video directions. All right. My favorite button in here is the undo, so that you can go back and forth and just undo and then redo the directions over and over and over. I really like that feature. So again, the recording, click, start, click, stop, and then I'm in full screen. I chose the options to show the record options to be the MPEG-4, and I use the annotation toolbar and the shapes that are there. Now, how do I find this video? When you're in full screen, you would go to View, and it would show that last video that you created there. All right. If you are not in full screen, then off on the side, it records. You can see over here, I'm hovering on the side. It's the video that's been recorded is here. Excite software doesn't store the videos, but it goes and finds the videos for you. To find where it's been stored, you would go to this part right here. It says record options, save to, and you can see that now I know that it's in the users, my name, and movies folder, and I would look for that particular video. All right. So now what do we do next? We have Google Classroom. So I have the video, I gave the directions, I recorded it. Now I'm going to go to my announcement or my assignment, and I'm going to choose to upload an attachment, a file to attach. So in this case, I didn't save it in my Google Drive. It is an option, but I chose not to earlier. So I'm going to have that attachment, and I'm going to go and look for that specific folder that they told me about, it being the movies folder, and voila, there's that video. I would open and have it be right here. Once I click save, I now have that particular video that I've just recorded and connected here in my Google Classroom for my students.